storm is coming. In times like this, teamwork and preparation are key to keeping everyone safe.
Patuloy na nagpapaunlad ang low pressure area sa maraming bahagi ng bansa. Apektado ng nasabing LPA ang Caraga Region, Davao Region, Eastern Visayas, Region, Quezon Province at Palawan.
Team, may paparating na bagyo. Kailangan nating ihanda ang resort at mga equipment.
I inform all guests about safety procedure.
I secure all equipment and window outside.
Do you think it's safe to stay here?
Yes, basta susundin natin ang safety protocols.
Attention everyone, please prepare your rooms and follow evacuation signs if necessary.
When the storm hits, remaining calm and following the safety protocol save lives.
Mom, are you there? Please come out. Mom, stay calm and let's move to the evacuation zone.
Follow me. Keep calm.
I'm scared. The wind is so strong. Don't worry. We're in a safe area. Staff will guide us.
We're here to assist. No one left behind.
During the disaster, calm communication and teamwork ensure the safety of everyone. After the storm, teamwork continues as we recover and help each other.
Thank you, team. Everyone is safe. Let's assist the damaged and help our guests.
The roof was minor damage. I will start repair as soon as possible.
We'll check nearby areas for anyone who needs assistance.
Thank you for keeping us safe. We really appreciate your effort.
Yes, your teamwork made me feel secure.
And this is what I call Bagyo ng Pagkakaisa, a storm that tested our unity, and we passed.
After every disaster, recovery begins with teamwork and care. Disaster may come, but with preparation, teamwork, and care for one another, we can face any storm together.